Hey everyone, this is Timothy and Lisa with the Home Hunters, and we're going to show you two houses today. The first one is in Missouri, and the second one is going to be in Illinois. This one is on 162 East 7th Street in Trenton, Missouri. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and 1979 square feet. It's on a lot that's 7,500 square feet. 1930 is when it was built, and this has been on the market for 12 minutes. And this house is so nice inside. I love it, and I want to live in it myself.
It's very nice inside. Let's look at the photos of it now.
First, we wanted to try to get you to please like the video. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe if you can. We appreciate your support and all of your kind words.
Now we can look at the photos here. It does have a nice front porch here. There's a hanging plant there too. Has a metal roof too. Bushes out here. Very good curb appeal on this one.
It does. I like that glass screen and the sides on it. That's really pretty too.
I like it too, yeah. It does have a one-car garage right there on the side of the house. We'll see the inside of it later. Lots of windows too.
Lots of windows, and I love this. Look at this room. It's a beautiful room. Look at it.
Main living
so
area
pretty.
here. Very nice, yeah. You can see those windows on each side of the door there too. Nice wood trim too.
I like that cabinet back there in the back too. They have.
That is nice. Nicely decorated in here.
I like the wallpaper too, and the ceiling fan.
Yeah. It has some nice trim along the ceilings up there, between the walls and ceilings. It's always a good sign. Higher quality.
Yes.
There's a brick fireplace here too. Nice cozy living area.
It is very nice and cozy. It's a very homey house.
It is. And here is the dining room. It's a very large dining room too.
And you got more of those doors, look.
Very nice doors, yeah. Lots of look at those French doors right there. They're glass, leading in from the living room to the dining area. It's very nice. Nice woodwork too.
More nice wallpaper also.
Yeah. This house appears to be move-in ready also.
It does, yeah.
Big windows in the dining area. I like the wallpaper too.
Yeah, I like the wallpaper in both of these rooms. Look at the nice wood door too.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's quality.
It is, yeah.
Really pretty ceiling fan in there too.
Here's the kitchen area here. You have a stove, a dishwasher, and a refrigerator. And wood cabinets in there, it looks like. Those might be real wood. What do you think?
They look like they're real wood to me, but it's hard to tell.
Yeah.
But they do look like that. It's a quality built home. So.
It is, yeah. The other side of the kitchen. And here's a hallway. You can see into the bathroom in there. One of the bedrooms. Nice chandelier in the hallway area. And every room has this trim too. It's very nice.
That's very nice. Have that molding.
Very nice molding, yeah.
And this is a cozy room too. Look how bright it is and cheerful.
It's a very nice room. Big windows. I like the wallpaper.
I love the wallpaper.
The molding trim, very nice.
Adds so much character to the room to have that wallpaper in there.
And this house does have a lot of character.
It sure does.
Especially inside.
Mirrored closet doors. At least there's closet doors.
And there's closet doors on this one, yeah.
I like those lace curtains too.
They're nice, yeah.
Makes it look Victorian.
It does, yeah. And there's a second bedroom there. A couple windows in here also.
There's another view of that room. The closet has a door.
It does. There's the bathroom there, shower tub combo.
Nice vanity. There's plenty of room in there.
Yeah, there's a good amount of room.
Yeah, and a medicine cabinet.
Yeah. Looks like a additional room here, possibly a den. And it could be used as a sunroom too. This is that room that we saw above the garage earlier on the back of the house. Lots of windows.
This would be good for a sunroom. You're right.
Looks like it. You can see the brick on the side of the home there. Might be an addition, possibly. Nice room.
It is.
Lots of nice natural light in here.
I'll look back at this for just a second.
I mean, remember,
this house so different. From this view to this view looks so different.
It does. And remember, this house does have 2,000 square feet.
It's huge.
It's very big, yeah.
There's your washer and dryer.
Yep, it has its own utility room, it looks like to me.
It's nice to have your own utility room for washer and dryer. It's not in the kitchen or in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Got cabinets in there too.
More nice wood doors. Look at those old school doorknobs too.
Yeah, I know.
Look like they would be used by like a skeleton key.
That's what I was getting ready to say. I was getting ready to say they probably use a skeleton key.
Yeah, like they lock with a skeleton key. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's like another bonus room in here. Lots of windows also. Looks like another sunroom, doesn't it?
It does look like another sunroom. They're using it for storage.
Yeah.
Lots of windows, you're right.
There's the upstairs area. Got more space up here too.
I didn't even know there was an upstairs in this house.
Yeah. And it's another bedroom up here pretty much. I mean, they're using it for storage, but I'm not sure. The ceilings are pretty low, but I think you could probably stand up in here. What do you think?
In the middle, it might be iffy on the sides, where that shelf is.
Yeah.
That's pretty short. So
Yeah.
Be good for storage, though. I mean,
very good storage area, yeah. And
all your Christmas decorations up here, right?
It's not like you have to climb a ladder or anything to get up here, too. You know?
Yeah.
Stairs leading up, that's a good thing.
That is a good thing.
A lot easier to get stuff up there.
Yep.
There's the one-car garage, more storage area in here. Some built-in shelves there.
Overhead, you could see the roof.
That's right, yeah. Now let's look and see who the agent is on this property. The agent is Melissa Purkapile. It's a very interesting last name.
It is
Purkapile.
interesting. I've never heard of that before.
Does have a phone number listed here for Century 21, 660-359-1101. Now let's look at the overhead view here. There's some restaurants in the area, and there also is a Dollar General to the west. This is in Trenton, Missouri, so there's a college right here. It's like a pretty good sized city. You're probably going to have a lot of amenities here. There's a grocery store right there, and another Dollar General. Already spotted two of those. Subway, Hy-Vee Market Grill. Oh, restaurant, huh? Pretty big for a restaurant, isn't it? And there's a market right here too. So now zoom out a bit here. Edinburgh is to the west. Farmersville is to the south. Jamesport is also around this area to the southwest. Bethany is to the northwest, and Kirksville is to the east. You can see Kansas City down here to the southwest. There it is on the big map there. It's kind of in more central north Missouri. Now let's look at the street view. Nice on street view too, huh?
It is very nice. Sidewalks.
Yeah, sidewalks.
Lots of trees.
Yeah. You can see that front porch there a little better. Nice front porch.
I just love the way this house looks too from the outside too. It's beautiful.
It is. It's on a corner lot, it looks like.
Yeah.
It's a nice area too.
I was gonna say all the houses look nice around you too.
They do, yeah. Now let's go over on the side here to see the garage. There's the one-car garage right there. So you pull in from the side street here.
Such a cute neighborhood.
It is, yeah. And then you have another next door neighbor over here. It's a pretty nice house.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's move on to the next property, which is in Kewanee, Illinois. It's on 716 Morton Avenue. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 912 square feet. It's on a 6,760 square foot lot, and it was built in 1926. It's been on the market for 15 months. Now let's see, it does say down here that it is a quiet neighborhood, and it does have a oversized 1-car garage. It's listed for $86,900. Now let's look at the photos of it here. You can see that 1-car garage over there. Looks to be in good shape. This house actually is really nice inside, very renovated.
You'll be surprised when you see the inside pictures because it's very nice inside.
Very nice, yeah.
Everything's new.
Yep. Big tree in your front yard here. A picket fence next door in between you and the neighbors. There's a dining area there.
Very nice dining room. The color is neutral. It's big baseboards.
Looks to me like a Lego bonsai tree. Double windows in here. They're nice and low too. Big windows.
Yeah.
Laminate flooring in here too. There's the living area there. Very nice. Huh?
Yes, very nice.
Yeah. Looks like new baseboards, new flooring. Nice and freshly painted too. Nice ceiling fan. Staging in here looks really good too.
Yeah, it's very clean and tidy.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this. I love this kitchen.
Yep. Here's the kitchen area. Very nice. Look at that sink, that faucet and sink is very nice.
Oh my goodness.
Nice backsplash and countertops and cabinets too. Big stainless steel refrigerator. Look at that refrigerator. It's huge.
Is it huge or is it the way this camera is filming it? It looks huge.
I think it's huge, yeah.
It's like double the size almost of a regular refrigerator.
It does, yeah.
I like that back door.
Yeah, it's nice.
It just makes this whole room look nice because you can go out the back door.
You can, yeah.
It's just
big windows over the sink too.
I know. It's just beautiful.
Such a nice kitchen area. The same laminate flooring is in here also. There's the big windows over the sink.
Does this have a dishwasher? I didn't see a dishwasher.
I don't think it does, no.
I don't think it really has too much room for one.
Yeah.
You're going to lose cabinet space.
There's that big refrigerator.
Is that a pantry over there? It looks like one.
Possibly a pantry, yeah, and there are some shelving over here on the left side of the refrigerator also. Looks like the office area here. It's one of the bedrooms. Nice bedroom. Look at that ceiling fan. Looks brand new.
Yeah. This is a modern designed home.
It is. Very nice bedroom here. And here's a bathroom. It's just as nice in here.
Yeah.
Looks like a new vanity faucet area there.
Totally renovated.
Yeah. Everything looks so clean.
It does.
And there's the master bedroom. Pretty good sized bedroom. Lots of windows too.
I love all the windows.
And here at the basement, it does have a very large basement down here. It's almost like another house.
This basement is huge.
Yeah.
They got a workout area down there.
They do, yeah. This is a very clean basement too. They keep up with it pretty well. Looks like it's painted also. The walls are painted, see?
Yeah.
Looks like the washer and dryer is also down here. Over there on the left. There's the backyard. Looks like it's fully fenced in here. The 6-foot fence looks like a newer fence too, doesn't it?
It is a new fence, you can tell.
Yeah. Big tree out here. There's plenty of space out here on the patio for furniture too. They have some furniture covered up out there.
Yeah, they're protecting their furniture too.
They are, yeah.
There's a door that leads to the. I wonder if that leads to the basement. Do you think?
It's a possibility. I'm not sure. And there's the 1-car garage again.
It's got a door in it.
Very nice, yeah. There's a gate right over here so you can enter through the back way if you want.
That is so nice.
Yeah.
This house is really cool.
It's really cool, yeah. Let's see who the listing agent is. It is Justin Landwehr. We can put the phone number down in the description for the video.
Currents and Keys Realty.
Now here's the overhead view here. There's a Walgreens pretty close and a CVS also. There's McKinley Park also to the west, to the east of the property. Some churches around here. There's a McDonald's to the south here. Some other restaurants. A tire shop. Lots of parks, a golf course. You'd think there would be a Walmart somewhere around here, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I'll be able to spot it, but there it is, right there. Walmart Supercenter. There's also a Farm King. Now let's zoom out and see what's
Medical
in the
center
area.
over there too.
Oh, really? Huh?
I saw a medical center.
It's good. Okay, so you can see Davenport up here to the northwest. Galesburg to the southwest. And Peru to the east of the town. Peoria is to the south also, down here. You can see for reference where Chicago is. This is in the northwest part of Illinois. Now let's look at the street view. This is before it was renovated, as you can tell. This was in August of 2013.
Wow.
This is pretty old.
Oh my goodness.
Pretty old footage, yeah. And this was the only time they came down here to record this footage too, because usually it says see other dates, but it doesn't. So
Must be a little street that they don't go down too often.
they did say in the description that it was a quiet neighborhood. There's a leaf up here blowing in the wind. Nice trees in the area, huh?
Yes.
Looks like it's kind of a tree-lined road.
I like the tree-lined roads.
This is before they put up the 6-foot fence.
I can't believe how different this is, right?
I know, yeah.
Why would they not go down this street
I'm not sure.
in over 10 years?
It's a long time, yeah.
It's like 13
I mean,
years.
13
almost.
years is a long time to wait to take new footage.
Yeah.
Usually the Google car will go everywhere, you know? Okay, everybody, thanks for watching this video. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future, and we will see you in the next one. Also, remember, your new home could be in the next video.